Welcome to MRL. In this learning session, we learn the solutions of examples of exercise 8.1 of chapter Trigonometry, 10th NCERT CBSE textbook. Now, in the first example, we are given a triangle ABC. AB is equal to 24 centimeters, BC is equal to 7 centimeters, and angle B is 90 degrees. Now, we have to find sin A, cos A, sin C, and cos C. So, let us understand how to do this. Now, in the triangle ABC, applying the Pythagoras theorem, we get AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So, we can find out AC, and AC we have got here as 25. So, we have got AC as 25. Now, it's very simple. So, to find sin A is equal to BC by AC, and that is 7 by 25. And cos A will be AB by AC, and that is 24 by 25. Now we have to find out sin C. This is the angle C here. For sin C, it is AB upon AC, and that is AB is 24 and 25. So 24 by 25, and sin C will be BC upon AC, and that is 7 by 25. So very simple. So the method is very simple. Apply the Pythagoras theorem, find the third side, that is the hypotenuse in this case, and write on the values of all the trigonometric ratios. Now coming to the next example, we are given a triangle PQR, and here PQ is 12 centimeters, PR is 13 centimeters, and QR is not known to us. QR is not given here. Okay, QR is not given. We have to find tan P minus cot R, but angle Q is given as 90 degrees. Now let us construct the triangle PQR here as I have shown. Now in triangle PQR, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square by Pythagoras theorem. That means we have got QR as 5 centimeters. So now we know all the three sides, that is QR is 5, PR is 13, and PQ is 12. Now we can simplify. Tan P is equal to, tan P means this angle is P here, tan P will be PQ upon QR, that is 12 by 5. 5 by 12. PQ, it's not PQ upon QR, it is QR upon PQ, so it will be 5 by 12. And cot R will be cot R is here, so cot R will be QR upon PQ, and that is again 5 by 12. Now simplifying it, we get LCM as 12, 5 minus 5, that is 0 by 12, answer is 0. Therefore tan P minus cot R is equal to 0 is the answer. Now here we are given sin A is equal to 3 by 4. Now we have to find cos A and tan A. So construct the triangle ABC here. Sin A is, what is sin A here? That is BC upon AC. BC upon AC, that is 3 by 4. And find out AB by applying Pythagoras theorem. By applying Pythagoras theorem, we find that AB is equal to root 7. By applying, therefore AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square is equal to 4 square minus 3 square, 16 minus 9, 7. So AB is equal to root 7. Now find out cos A. Cos A will be equal to, cos A is here, so cos A will be equal to AB by AC. Okay, so root 7 by 4. And tan A, we have to find tan A also, so tan A is equal to BC by AB, and that is 3 by root 7. So try to understand that. Now coming to the next example, we are given in example number 4 that 15 cot A is equal to 8. Now we have to find sin A and sec A. Now 15 cot A is equal to 8 means cot A is equal to 8 by 15. But cot A is also equal to, please understand here, cot A is also equal to AB by BC. Therefore AB is equal to 8 and BC is equal to 15. Apply Pythagoras theorem, find AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, that is A square plus 15 square, 64 plus 225, and therefore AC is equal to 17. Now sin A will be very simple. We can find out sin A is equal to BC by AC, and therefore it is 15 by 17. And sec A will be AC by AB, and that is 17 by 8. So that they are the two what has been asked for us to find. Now the next example is sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Now we have to find the values of all the other t ratios. Let us find out what is the value of sec theta, 13 by 12. So when you draw a right angle triangle ABC, sec theta, so let us take this angle A as theta here. Now theta, so sec theta will be AC by AB, therefore it will be 13 by 12. Apply Pythagoras theorem, find BC. We have found out that BC is equal to, by applying Pythagoras theorem, BC is equal to 5. So now we have got all the three values of the three sides of the values of the three sides of the right angle triangle. Now we can find out out all the t ratios. So let us start with sin theta. Sin theta is BC by AC, therefore it is 5 by 13, and cos theta will be AB by AC, therefore it will be 12 by 13. Tan theta will be BC by AB, therefore it is 5 by 12. Now finding out sec theta. Sec theta is already given to us. Now we have to find a cosec theta. Cosec theta will be reciprocal of sin, therefore 13 by 5. Cot theta is a reciprocal of tan, it is 12 by 5. So that is how we have found out the 5 t ratios, values of 5 trigonometric ratios. A very simple method, and please adopt this. Okay. Now coming to the next example, we are given cos A is equal to cos B. Please understand, cos A is equal to cos B is given to us, and angle A and angle B are acute angles. Now we have to prove that or show that angle A is equal to angle B. Now let us take the triangle ABC. Now cos of A, what will be cos of A here? Cos of A will be AC by AB, and that is correct by definition, and cos of B will be BC by AB by definition. But we are given that cos A is equal to cos B, that means AC by AB is equal to BC by AB, AB will cancel, so AC is equal to BC. We have got in this triangle AC and BC are equal, and in a triangle if two sides are equal, the angles opposite to them are also equal, and therefore A and B are equal angles, therefore angle A is equal to angle B, and that is what exactly have been asked. We have to prove that. So we have proved angle A is equal to angle B there. Now the example number 7, we are given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, and we have to find 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now let us understand how to do this. So let us draw a triangle first, ABC. Now cot theta is equal to, cot theta is AB by BC, that means 7 by 8. So find out AC by Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, that is 7 square plus 8 square, 49 plus 64, that is 113. So AC will be square root of 113. Now substitute the values here. 1 plus sin theta. What is sin theta here? Sin theta will be 8 by 1 by 8 divided by root of 113, that is 1 here, correct it is, and 1 minus sin theta. Sin theta is 8 by root of 113. So we have got 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta, and cos theta will be 7 by root of 1 by 13, and I have substituted here. Now simplifying, now it becomes very simple arithmetical calculation here, that is A plus B A minus B becomes A square minus B square. So 1 square minus 8 by 1 root of 1 by 3 whole raised to square, and 1 square minus 7 by root of 113 whole raised to square. So now further simplification will give us 1 minus 64 by 113, 1 minus 49 by 113. Take LCM. So 113 minus 64 by 113, 113 minus 49 by 113. 113 minus 64, 113 cancels here, 113 minus 64, 113 minus 49, and that is 49 by 64 is the answer. Therefore 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equal to 49 by 64 is the answer. So please remember that. Now the second part of it is we have to find out cot square theta. Now to find cot square theta, we have to know what is cot theta. Let us see what is cot theta there. So cot theta will be 7 by 8. So AB by BC, that is cot theta 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 whole raised to square, so 7 square by 8 square, that is 49 by 64. So that is the answer for the second part of the same example. Now coming to the example number 8, we are given 3 cot A is equal to 4. We have to check if 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. So let us understand this. We are given 3 cot A is equal to 4. That means cot A is equal to 4 by 3. So let us take the triangle ABC. Cot A means it will be AB by BC, and therefore it is 4 by 3. Applying Pythagoras theorem, we get AC as 5. Now tan A will be what? 3 by 4. Substitute here. So 1 minus 3 by 4 whole raised to square, 1 plus 3 by 4 whole raised to square, and it will be 1 by 1 minus 9 by 16, 1 plus 9 by 16. Taking LCM, we get 16 minus 9 by 16, 16 plus 9 by 16. 16 gets cancelled. 16 minus 9 divided by 16 plus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7, and 16 plus 9 is what we call 25. So the answer is 7 by 25. Now coming to the next example. Okay, here what we have to now LHS we have found out then. Okay, let us see. So that is LHS. Yeah, LHS we have found out. Now to find the RHS, because we have to prove this. LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS is 7 by 25. Now let us go for finding RHS. Now RHS is cos square A minus sin square A, and what is cos A here? The cos A will be 4 by 5, and sin A is 3 by 5. So substitute them there. So we get 4 by 5 square minus 3 by 5 whole raised to square. 4 square is 16 by 25. 3 square is 9 by 25. Simplify it. LCM is 25. 16 minus 9, 7 by 25. 100% LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore the equality is true, and it is proved. Now in the ninth example, we are given a triangle ABC, and angle B is 90 degrees. tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Please understand, tan A is 1 by root 3, and what is tan A here? Tan A is BC by AB, therefore it is 1 by root, so BC is 1 and AB is root 3, and by applying Pythagoras theorem we get AC as 2, so we got AC as 2 here. Now what do we have to do? Sin A cos A plus cos A sin C has to be found out. Sin A cos A plus cos A sin C. Take sin A cos A plus cos A sin C, and what is sin A here? Sin A is 1 by 2, and what is cos C? That is cos C. Cos C is here, so it is 1 by 2 again. And what is cos A? Cos of A. Cos of A is root 3 by 2, and sin C. Sin C means it is root 3 by 2. So simplify it now. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, and 2 into it is 4. Simplify further. 1 plus 3 by 4, 4 by 4, and that is the answer is 1 for the first example. Now the second example in that is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C we have to find out. So cos A is equal to root 3 by 2, and cos C it will be 1 by 2, and sin A is 1 by 2, and sin C is root 3 by 2. Now it will be root 3 by 4, both will cancel, and answer is 0. So that is how we solve the examples. Okay, now coming to the next example. Now we are given here a triangle PQR is given. PR plus QR is 25 centimeters, PQ is 5 centimeters, and theta is that is Q, angle Q is 90 degrees. Now we have to find sin P, cos P, and tan P. Now the question here is, we are not given, only PQ is given to us, we are not given PR and also QR. So that means two unknowns are there, and to find two unknowns we should get two equations. Let us see how to get two equations. The first equation is already known to us, that is PR plus QR is equal to 25. Now take this triangle PQR, apply Pythagoras theorem, then PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PR square is equal to PQ square, okay, PQ square plus QR square, and we know that PQ square is 5 square plus QR square, that is 25 plus QR square. Now QR square, if I take that side, it becomes PR square minus QR square is equal to 25, and A square minus B square is A plus B A minus B, so PR plus QR, PR minus QR is equal to 25, but we know that PR plus QR is 25, so replacing that by 25, we get 25 into bracket PR minus QR is equal to 25, or PR minus QR is equal to 1. So we have got the second equation. So we have got the first equation, PR plus QR is equal to 25, and second equation, PR minus QR is equal to 1. So let us simplify these two equations and get the values of PR and QR. So PR plus QR is 25, PR minus QR is equal to 1. So, okay, when we add, QR gets cancelled, so it is 2 PR equal to 26, PR is equal to 26 by 2, PR is equal to 13. So we have got PR is equal to 13, but natural, if PQ is 5, PR is 13, PRQ or QR has to be 12, there is no doubt about that. So now we have got all the three values of the triangle. Now it is very simple to find sin P, and sin P is what here? 12 by 13. And what is cos P? 5 by 13. And what is tan P? It is 12 by 5. So these are the values of the trigonometric ratios which are asked. Now coming to the next example, we have to state true or false and justify. The value of tan A is always less than 1, 100% false, because we know that tan 60 degrees is root 3 by 2, which is much greater than 1, and tan 90 degrees is an infinite value. Now sec A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A, and it is 100% true, because sec 90 degrees is infinite, 12 by 5 is definitely greater than 1, and whereas the value of sec 90 degrees is an infinite value, therefore it is true. Cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. It is totally false, because cos A is abbreviation of cosine A. Cos A is the product of cot A and A. It is totally false, because cos A, it means it is the cosine of the angle of an acute angle A, and not product of cos and A. And the next one is sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. 4 by 3 is greater than 1. Sin theta for any angle theta lies between 0 and 1, and therefore the value sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 is 100% a false statement. So that is how we answer the true or false of any given statements to us. For that you have to know the basics of trigonometry in detail, and so therefore go through the basics thoroughly, learn them, so that you can answer any of the questions asked like that. Now, having understood the calculations, so try to understand this method of solutions, and apply the knowledge of trigonometry, and learn how to solve, practice them, and note down them in a book for your future reference. Okay, then let us please go through this and learn. Okay, thank you.